Melasma. What is melasma? Melasma is a chronic skin disorder that results in symmetrically blocky brownish facial pigmentations. Melasma can also affect the arms of the and back. It can lead to considerable embarrassment and distress. The form of facial pigmentation is sometimes called chasma, but as this means green skin, term melasma is preferred. Brown skin. Who gets melasma? Melasma is more commonly in women than in men. Only 1 in 4 to 1 in 20 affected individuals are male. Depending on the population studies, it generally starts between the age of 20 and 40 years, but it can begin in childhood and not until middle age. Melasma is more common in people and than well in natural brown skin compared to those who have fair skin or black skin. What causes melasma? The cause of melasma is complex. The pigmentation is due to overproduction of melanin by the pigment cells. Melanocytes, which is taken up in the keratocytes and deposited in dermis. There is genetic predisposition to melasma, which is at least one third of patients reporting to family members to be affected. In most people, melasma is a chronic disorder. No triggers of melasma include sun exposure and sun damage. The most important avoidable risk factor, visible light and ultraviolet rays, contribute to abnormal pigmentation. Pregnancy. In affected women, the pigment often fades a few months after delivery. Hormone treatments. Oral contraceptive pills containing estrogen and progesterone hormones replacement, intrauterine devices, and implants are the factors in about a quarter of affected women. Certain medications, including new targeted therapies for cancer, scented and deodorant soaps, toiletries, and cosmetics, may cause a phototoxic reaction that triggers melasma, which may then persist long term. Hypothyroidism. Melasma commonly arises in healthy non-pregnant adults. Lifelong sun exposure and causes deposition of pigment within the dermis, and this often persists long term. Exposure to ultraviolet radiation UVR deepens the pigmentation because it activates the melanocytes to produce more melanin. Research is attempting to point the roles of stem cells, neural, vascular, and local hormonal factors in promoting melanocyte activation. What are the clinical features of melasma? Melasma presents as macules and large fat brown patches. These are found on both sides of faces and have irregular borders. There are several distinct patterns: centrifacial pattern, forehead, cheeks, nose, and upper lips; malar pattern, cheeks and nose; lateral cheek pattern; mandibular pattern, jawline. Reddened or inflamed forms of melasma are also called erythrosis pigmentosa faciale. Poikiloderma of Seviate. Reddened photoaging changes are seen in sides of neck, mostly affecting patients older than 50 years. Brachial type of melasma affecting shoulders and upper arms are also acquired brachial cutaneous dermatosis. Melasma is sometimes separated to epidermal, dermal, and mixed types. A wound lamp that emits backlight UVA1 may be used to identify the depth of the pigment. Epidermal melasma. Well-defined border, dark brown color, appears more obvious under black light, responds well to treatment. Dermal melasma. Ill-defined border, light brown and bluish, unchanged under black light, responds poorly to treatment. Mixed melasma. The most common type. Combination of bluish, light and dark brown patches, a mixed pattern is seen under black light. Partial improvement with treatment. How is melasma diagnosed? The characteristic appearance of melasma means the diagnosis is usually straightforward and made clinically. Other disorders that may be considered instead of melasma as well as melasma include post-inflammatory pigmentation, solar redness and forms of vertigo, drug-induced pigmentation, example due to myoclonic or non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, lichen plants, nerves of water and nerves of Hari. Guttae homomelanosis is which pale spots are prominent. Occasionally, a skin biopsy may be performed to make or confirm the diagnosis of melasma. Histology varies with type of melasma, but some degree of each of following features is usually found. Melanin deposited is basic and suprabasical keratinocytes. Highly dendritic, intensely pigmented melanocytes. Melanin in the dermis with melanophages. Solar ectosis and elastic fiber fragmentation. The extent and severity of melasma can be described using melasma area and severity index MASI. Thank you.